Hi guys, I just got back from grocery shopping. Today is Friday. I usually do my grocery shopping on Fridays. It's my first day of my weekend. And this weekend I went to Super Target and Whole Foods. So I'm excited to show you what I got. Evie was in her crate while I was gone and Gus is hungry, so we'll see how this goes. You might hear some little furball commotion in the background. First up, Whole Foods. I didn't get too much at Whole Foods, but I was excited about one of the items I got is this Truvani protein powder. This is chocolate peanut butter flavor, which I have not tried before. Over the holidays, actually it was early January, my sister was visiting and we tried some overnight oats recipes and we got 2 smaller packets of protein powder to try. I have been sensitive to different protein powders, so I wanted to make sure that my stomach was okay with this one. And it is. And we tried vanilla and chocolate. So I haven't tried this flavor, but I really enjoyed the other 2. And I'm excited that this was on sale, a good sale. It was regular $47.99 for this bag that has 20 servings. And it was on sale for $34.55 with my Prime membership. 20 servings in this, 150 calories per serving, which is 1 scoop. 3 grams of fiber and 21 grams of protein. So I've been adding a scoop of this when I make my overnight oats. And I've been using the protein oats that I got at Costco. If you missed that grocery haul, it's in the playlist here and I'll link it down below also. But I'm still working on that bag of protein oats, and then I add a little bit of honey, some milk, some of my Greek yogurt, and some chia seeds. The other thing I got at Whole Foods were just a couple of large avocados. These were on sale also 2 for $4. A couple that were more firm because I do have a couple of ripe ones ready and waiting, but I usually eat at least half an avocado a day, I would say. And these are a great source of fiber as well. I believe it's 4 grams of fiber in half an avocado. These 2 wraps that I make for lunch. Sometimes I'll make avocado toast and add some eggs to that also and some shredded cheese. But yeah, love avocados. And then right across from our Whole Foods is Enstrom Candies, which is a Colorado-based chocolate candy company. And so I've already opened these. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I love my lattes. But these are little latte flavored candies. They're pretty little, they're very good. 4 pieces in a serving, 60 calories per serving, no protein, no fiber, but these are really good. So 80-20 rule, we're doing 20% tasty treats and 80% of my diet I try to do high protein, high fiber, whole foods. This is a good treat. It was only less than $4 for this bag, and there are 10 servings in the bag, 4 pieces. I ate 2 pieces for my little treat. Next up, Super Target, my favorite place to shop and where I get the majority of my groceries every week. I usually get the cheddar cranberry cashew combo. They were out of those, so I got these. These are quick bite little snack packs. There's 3 servings in the package. 180 calories per serving, 7 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. And so I like to have these with lunch or as a snack. Sometimes, you know, around dinner time if I'm not really hungry, if it's closer to my injection day. Yeah, I get these every week. Next up, we have an exciting carton of milk. The staples here that I buy every week. Sorry, Evie is digging in the couch. 2% organic milk. I use a lot of milk making lattes. I have cut down on lattes. I only have 1 each morning. As a treat on the weekends, do have 2 lattes each morning, but I make those with my Nespresso machine. I also use this in my overnight oats, and I'm not having overnight oats more than probably once or twice a week, but it's nice to change things up every now and then. I was very excited to find roasted sweet potatoes in the frozen food section. They have been out of these for, I would say it's been since before Christmas time. And so I saw these, snagged a couple of bags. These are so easy because you just throw them in the microwave for 5 to 5.5 minutes and they just steam in the bag. They are ready to go. I just add salt and pepper, that's it. And I eat these as a side when I'm making the salmon Milano from Costco, which I did this past week. Add asparagus as my other side. I get 5 meals out of that usually. So very excited to find these again. 90 calories for 3/4 of a cup. 3 grams of fiber, and less than 1 gram of protein. Healthy and easy. Next up, new to me, are these Star-Kissed tuna creations. So this is deli style tuna salad. So 1 pouch is a serving, and I thought this would be really easy to just have on toast as a high protein lunch alternative or a snack. 80 calories in 1 pouch, 13 grams of protein, 1 gram of fiber. I got 2 pouches for the week. I also picked up another package of organic turkey deli meat. I like this brand because it is lower sodium, no antibiotics. 60 calories for 2 slices, 14 grams of protein, 0 fiber. With the deli meat, I will usually put it on a wrap. So I got these Olay Extreme Wellness high fiber. And so I found that I like these a little better than the Mission tortillas, the carb control tortillas that I was getting. And also the price of those has gone up again. So they were over $5 now. These were on sale for $4.15. So 60 calories in 1 wrap. Sorry, I'm wrangling Evie on the side here. She's being very helpful. 60 calories for 1 wrap, 12 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of protein. Lately, I've been having more issues with diarrhea and such. TMI, sorry, not what you expected to hear in a grocery haul, but when I don't want quite as much fiber in my day, I have my sandwich with bread instead of the high fiber wrap. Dave's Killer Bread, thin sliced, 70 calories for 1 slice, 3 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber. Probably 2 or 3 mornings this week that I just had toast for breakfast. That's how much my stomach has been bothering me with side effects this week. So thought that I would try this week. And next up I got Fage 0% Greek yogurt. So if you've been watching for a while, you know that this is another staple of mine. I buy this every week and I eat this probably like 80% of the time for breakfast, with granola that I get at Costco, raspberries, blueberries, and chia seeds. 90 calories, 18 grams of protein, and 0 fiber, and that is in 3/4 of a cup. I have a little over, I have closer to 1 cup usually in my breakfast. And then I also use this as a sour cream alternative. And this week I decided to grab some cottage cheese also. I got this Target brand, small curd, and I just thought this would be good to have on hand as a snack or as a side with one of my meals, probably with lunch. And then there's also recipes I've kind of been seeing floating around that I thought I might like to try also, like the cottage cheese bowls. So we'll see. I just thought this would be a good thing to have on hand in the fridge. Then finally, rounding out the grocery haul, I stocked up on ingredients to make chicken tortilla soup again. I have a chicken tortilla soup recipe that I like to make in my slow cooker. I'll link that recipe down below for you. I have the chicken broth on hand, but I needed green chilies, diced green chilies, diced tomatoes, and I like to get the Italian style to have a little of that flavor in there, canned corn, tomato sauce, lower sodium black beans, black olives to add on top. And I lied, I have one more thing. So on top of the soup, I like to put this finely shredded taco blend cheese. And I can also use this in wraps. So that wraps up the grocery haul. Evie is busy shredding the receipt over there. And I need to get this stuff into the fridge. But thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you're new here, my name is Tamara. I am on a journey to lose 100 pounds with the help of Zepbound. I am currently on 7.5 milligrams. I'm in my 6th week on 7.5 milligrams. I have lost over 47 pounds so far. I do weekly weigh-ins on Saturdays, so tomorrow morning we'll find out if I've lost any weight this week. I'd love to have you join me. Please subscribe, and until next time, let's keep moving forward together. Take care, friends.